one question. In the Bobby DeBarge story, what did you not want to be the totality of his story? What do you really want us to walk away from?
I didn't want people to totally focus on just his music, because that's just a small aspect of his life. I think the big thing with Bobby is his personal pain and the abuse, mental, physical, that he went through. And I just hope that people can look at this film and get something a little bit more out of it, other than, cute guy on stage singing in falsetto. That is just a very small part of the story. We're all products of our childhood. And if anybody could walk away from this movie and some young person says, wow, I'm in that same kind of situation, we give a voice to the voiceless. And that's not something that I just came up with. When I was shooting it, that was what I wanted to convey. I wanted somebody that would fight for themselves. Because a lot of these kids are hidden in our community. We like to whoa, you don't need counseling. You're supposed to be a tough guy. Oh, don't say nothing. We'll fix it. We'll talk to him, so we'll get it right. That's not good enough. And unfortunately, Bobby's story is a person that, was damaged from the things that happened to him as a child. And to me, that's what gravitated me to direct this and be part of this.
Now, when you talk about you want us to really get and understand the pain, a lot of television lately has been triggering for people. Coming off of When They See Us and telling historic and iconic stories that people who went into the music industry didn't know this was the background of many of our artists.
Well, you know what? I think this movie humanizes our pain, because a lot of people, they don't view us as, I had to say human beings. They view us as, oh, okay, you guys been through, slavery and all that other stuff. You can't handle a little bit of this and that. We are human beings. We have feelings. We have emotions. And, I want to be able to tell our story. And I want people to be able to feel our pain. I don't want anybody to feel sorry for me. I know Bobby didn't. I worked closely with his widow, Terry Gale. And Bobby never wanted anybody to feel sorry for him. Bobby just felt that he was cheated, and he was. He was cheated from his childhood. He was cheated as an adult. But, life isn't fair. But if anybody can take something from this film and go like, hey, Mom, I'm going through this. We've done something. That's important.
One last question. Social media can make a break. You can either get mobbed, you can get major support. What are you saying on social media to get people to really check this film out?
My thing is, it's like I'm not really trying to please everybody. When I did this movie and I had to punch up the script, the original script was good, but I thought I could just make it a little bit better. It wasn't an idea for me. I hope people like this, and I better promote it properly. And so it didn't matter. I grew up on the music. I used to play basketball in the park with Philip Ingram, who was a part of Switch back when I was in college. We used to hang out. I mean, not on a social level, but in the park. I mean, Saturdays, that was a big thing, And I didn't realize all these little light-skinned dudes running around. I didn't know they were the DeBarges. At that time, I didn't know. But we out there knocking them on the ground like everybody else. They were just tough little guys, from Detroit. But I'm not worried about people saying, hey, this is a good movie or it's not. I want people to watch this movie for the message. And there is a message for everybody. Because we all got something. We all have something.
Nice. Thank you so much for telling us.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
The best interview you ever had.
The best one.
That's good. Good question.
Thank you.